Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Healthy life starts with a healthy lifestyle, and to achieve this can be a little difficult. So making those little changes on a regular basis can make a lot of difference. So today in our healthy recipe series, I'm going to share a wonderful breakfast recipe. This is sprouted green gram dosa or chilla, as we all know. So many of you may already know this recipe, but today I'm going to make it with a sprouted green gram, which is all the more nutritious and very, very healthy. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The first step is to soak the green gram or the green moong bean. For this recipe, I've taken about 1 cup of green gram. Green gram in itself is considered to be one of the best pulses due to the wide range of nutrients available from it. Green gram is rich in various minerals, antioxidants, fiber, protein and vitamins. Since this is low on calories, green gram is ideal for Weight Watchers. Pour enough water and soak it overnight. So after soaking it overnight, you can see the green gram has plumped up nicely. Strain the water. So now we're going to sprout these. Transfer the soaked green gram to a muslin cloth. Tie the muslin cloth and leave it overnight. So the next day, you can see it's all sprouted so beautifully. Now sprout the same and use for doubled or even tripled benefits. You not only get added nutrients but also get additional taste and a much easier version for easy digestion. So now our green gram sprouts are ready. So now we're going to make the sprouted green gram batter. I've soaked about 50 grams of rice for about an hour. You can either use raw rice or parboiled rice for this recipe. To the mixer jar, add the soaked rice along with a little water. Next add 4 green chilies chopped, a piece of ginger chopped, 1 teaspoon of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon hing or Asafoetida powder. Add half of the sprouted green gram. So I'm going to grind it without adding any water. Just pulse it a few times. Now add the remaining sprouted green gram and grind everything together. So the sprouted green gram batter is done. You can see the consistency. This is what you want. Transfer the batter to a bowl. Just adding a little salt to season it. Also add a little water to get the right consistency for the batter. So if the batter is too thick, you can just add a little water to get the right consistency. So now you can see the batter is a nice dropping consistency. Heat a tawa, pour a ladle of the batter, spread it out evenly. Add a little ghee on all sides. This can be replaced with regular breakfast for most days to gain optimal health. Once the dosa is cooked on one side, flip it to the other side. You can see it's got this lovely golden brown color to it. It looks absolutely delicious. Remove the dosa from the tawa and serve it nice and hot with any chutney of your choice. So now you have this incredibly healthy and delicious sprouted green gram dosa that you can try at home and enjoy your breakfast. So there you go, here is this absolutely tasty, healthy and protein-rich sprouted green gram dosa. Now I have served it with some nice tomato and coriander chutney. You can serve it with any chutney of your choice. So you can see it's a very light breakfast option and it's a very nice way to start your day. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.